Hi guys, today bubuksan ko to and so open. Oh, where is this one? Wait lang guys, kukun ko. So this is a nail. Let's open it. Wait lang. Okay, sinot ko na. Buksan na natin ito. Uy. Buksan natin ito. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Apat sila. Ayos natin, wait lang. Okay, buksan muna natin itong maliit. Maybe, ito gusto ko ito. Wait lang, open na natin. Oh, he's cute, guys. Ang cute. May donut pa siyang hawak. Pusa siya. Ano ba to? Pusa. Oo nga, pusa. Aray mo yung kamay niya. So, open to the next. Ito yun guys, yung malaki. Okay, ito naman yung maliit. Hindi ko alam ano naman. So, wait lang. Okay, nakukulit ko na. Ang tigil lang guys. Okay, na-open ko na. Ito yung, diba? Na-open ko na, may pagkain, may candy, at may chocolate. So, mami na yan. Pagkain pala ito. Buksan naman natin ito. Wait lang. Okay, oh, there's two of them. I wish it's great. Is this a heart thing? No. This is so cute. And these two, that's so cute. I think this is a teddy bear. Let's open the giant one. This is the final one. Na-open ko na. Wait lang guys. Open ko na guys. Malapit na. Is that? Joke. Open naman natin to. Wait lang guys. Ayusin ko lang itong mess. Natin ko. Wait lang ha. Itong natin ko. Magagantong ko yun. Wait lang. Hindi ko mabuksan. Nabuksan ko na. Ano ba to? Isa lang. Hindi ko makuha. Nakuha ko na guys. Ito natin. Ito isa lang talaga. Hindi siya makalat. Aray mo. Aray mo. Ito lang. Wait lang guys. So, I cleared this up. So, say this. What is this? This is 100 and this is what? See, whatever